Dear students, I am Hamangini Vyas from Nelson's Higher Secondary School. Today I will be explaining 12th standard literature. The topic is Hitopadesha. Last year in 11th standard we have studied about Panchatantra, the fables or the stories which were related with animals and birds and with moral teaching. Okay, so this year we are going to study the same way. Pandit Narayan Bhatt is believed to be the dependent of Dhavala Chandra, the king of Bengal, has written this book. It is believed that this book must have been written between the 10th and 13th century AD. Taking inspiration from Panchatantra, this book is written. In this book also, sermons are given through the stories of birds and animals as we find in the book of Panchatantra. In Hitopadesh, there are 4 parts. In each part, didactic stories are given in different numbers. For example, the first part is Mitraved. In it, there are didactic stories pointing out the importance of friendship, how to make friends and how to sustain the friendship. The second part is known as Shuradved. That is the stories pointing out how friendship changes with the change in situation and ultimately loses friends. The third part is known as Vigraha, and there is collection of didactic stories teaching war policies. In the fourth and the last part, there are stories teaching how we can establish union between the persons who are of opposite nature. 25 stories out of 43 are straightly included in this book from Panchatantra. Only 17 stories are quite creative or new. There are 5 sections in Panchatantra, as we know. All these 5 sections are included in it, but Narayan Bhatt has included them in his own manner. So Narayan Bhatt decided himself in which section of his book Hitopadesh to put those original stories from Panchatantra. The special contribution of Hitopadesha is that the famous and popular stories, like the story in which a mouse transforms into a cat into a tiger, and ultimately a tiger into a mouse with a statement Punara Musaka Bhava. You must have studied this story in your Sanskrit book. And an attempt to seal the ocean, and as it drowned, the eggs of a female lapwing, Titori, that also is there. That is the another story. In the beginning, it is noted that Shruto Hitopadesho Ayam Pachavam Sanskritoktishu Vacham Sarvatra Vaichityam Niti Vidyam Dadati Cha. It means that the listener or the words of this book reap 3 benefits: proficiency in speaking Sanskrit, second, different from of the way of speaking from the other people, then knowledge of ethics. All these sentences are proved by the writer as well as the scholars of Sanskrit too. The stories of Hitopadesh, like the stories of Panchatantra, are very popular all over the world. They are translated in many languages too. The moral taught by this book is very precious, and in the entertainment way, they teach us many things. That is the value of Hitopadesha. The book's title itself is suggesting that.